Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to edit Instagram story, and now let's dive right in. Now to edit Instagram story, first open up your Instagram app. But before we proceed guys, do make sure to subscribe to my channel because it gives me a lot of support. And with that being said, let's open up the Instagram app. And from over here, after opening your Instagram app, in order to edit your Instagram story, let's first create a story. To do that, let's tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the plus icon, and from over here let's go to the story section of our Instagram. And on this section guys, let's create a story. You can see you can create a boomerang, you can create a layout, you can create anything, but let's tap on the camera icon for a demo story. And after you have landed on this, you can edit it many ways. At the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon. You can draw on it, you can add some music. Let's pause this. You can add your music from over here. You can change the duration of music over here. You can see you can change the color of the music text. And with that being done, on this interface you can add in some filters over here. You can see a lot of filters available over here, many filters you can choose. And after applying your filter, tap on done, and at the top of the screen again there is the stickers. You can add some stickers to your story, you can add your text to your story, you can resize them. You can see guys, after adding your text you can mention it, you can add the location. Let's tap on done, and you can resize it. At the left side of the screen guys, you can see you can resize it, you can mention somebody, you can add some location. If you turn on the location services, let's close this. And with that being done guys, this is how to edit Instagram story. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.